Welcome all to YouTube channel of CA Business. On this channel we discuss lot of useful topics on finance, taxation and legal matters. Last few days we received lot of questions regarding affected cash flows in businesses due to COVID-19 lockdown. Businesses are stopped or slow, and in middle of it all businesses are struggling to get cash inflows, and it's affecting businesses even further. So today we will discuss few ways in which we can get cash flows in your businesses and tie over this corona crisis with some ease. First point is prepare 20 weeks cash flow. Make a cash flow from operations, investment and financing activities based on the projected inflows and outflows considering this crisis. Second way is managing the receivable. Discuss with the customers on the probable date of receipt from them, and if possible have a robust follow-up procedure. Third idea is to get short-term credit. If necessary, apply to your bankers for a short-term credit facility to cover 3-4 months expenses. Fourth and very important point is reduction of unproductive expenses. Reduce avoidable and unproductive expenses such that monthly overheads can be reduced by 30 to 50%. Fifth point is due diligence of customer. We might have to undertake and renewed credit risk due diligence of our customers. Prepare a list of variables to be ticked for all our customers. Let's come to sixth point, and it is to renegotiate the terms with our vendors. We might have to convince our vendors to give us some more credit period for some time. Seventh point is improvement or development of new product or service. This is the right time to probably make changes in your existing product or service or try a new one. Last but not the least, take regulatory support. We can take regulatory support of more time allowed to pay GST or EMI or working capital interest outgo. Hope you have better prepared for next few weeks from stability point of view. Write us and let us know if you have any other suggestions for other viewers about improving cash flows, what ways you are adapting. That's it for today. See you in our next video. Till then, stay home, stay safe, keep working on your business.